Right, guys, in this video we're going to add some dimensions to our floor plan and our elevation. And so we go to do this, we go to the annotation tab again, and we drop down to our dimension style, and we're going to click on that. So here we can manage, we're going to create a new one. So if I go new, it should bring up your create new dimension style. I'm going to call it studio, right, and continue. It should bring up something that looks like that. And we're going to go to start with lines. We want to make sure, I'm going to go by layer, right? We're going to go baseline spacing. I'm going to start with figures like 30, okay, because we're working on a much bigger scale. Extend beyond dimension lines, I'm probably going to go about 70. Offset from the origin, I'm probably going to do the same thing. I'm probably going to go about 100 here, actually. And then I'm going to go symbols and arrows. We want to make this an architectural tick. Arrow size, let's go with 50. Break size, the lowest I'm probably going to go is 30. Text, the text we want to use is Design Studio, so we can use our own text, right? So I don't know why the height of the text is remaining like that. So let's make sure that the text height sits at about 100. We want to align it within the dimension. We want to offset it from the dimension line. So offsetting is from the dimension line is between the dimension line and the number. I'm probably going to go with 100 as well. Well, let's just start with 70 and see what that appears like. And I think that's all good. So we're going to go to fit, fine, primary units of fine. We want a whole number. We don't want anything more than that. So I'm going to go OK. So let's go and have a look at how this reflects in our floor plan. So I'm going to go to linear annotations, linear, which is working within right angles. So I'm going to click on there. That's going to give us our first dimension. We only need, let's just do 2 perimeter dimensions. So we'll start there, we'll do there and there. In your patch, you'll have to include enough so that we can work out the area of your property. Okay, so that's enough there. Then let's give height as well from ground level to ceiling height. That's a good one. So ceiling height is obviously, we'll go to the bottom wall plate. Bottom of the wall plate, sorry. Let's snap onto that wall plate, bring it out there, and then we can take that out. So that's to the bottom of the wall plate, which is more or less ceiling height. We always want to the top of window. So we're going to go from the top of the window to the ground level, and that gives us the wall height, a window height. And then we could probably go give a finished floor level to door height. So it's kind of every feature that is required, some reflection of height. The next thing we should do is give a floor level, right, to ground level to floor level. So that's another height that is good to give. You can also go give your concrete footings some dimensions, and in your notes you can mention what the thickness of the wall is in your pat. But those are primarily the heights we're looking at. All right, good. So your dimensions are done. In the next video, we're going to add this or your model to a layout, and we're going to save them as a PDF.